Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, let's wait for others to join in. Okay. All right, guys. Don't want to start with a new topic today. Okay, तो आप लोग if you have any questions, you can ask me. So, guys, any problems?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir,
Hmm.
sir, we do weekly analysis now, sir. Higher high, higher high, we will make it in an Excel sheet now.
Hmm. Yeah.
Uh, like that, is it that way that we should do for monthly also, sir?
Why not?
Take the last. Okay, okay, okay. Huh.
You can do for monthly. You can do for quarterly. Okay. Just with
Huh.
quarters,
Huh.
when you are doing quarterly, you will always keep the 4 quarters fixed, like April, May, June, July, August,
Hmm.
September, October, November,
Hmm.
December, January, February, March.
Hmm.
Don't change them. Don't change them
Hmm.
in
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
I mean that don't do a rolling 3 months as quarter.
Okay.
Okay, align it with the business.
The last price of each quarter, right, sir?
Last price. So see, one thing is that when there is a running quarter, say for example, if you have a sideways stock, okay, so say for example there's a stock which is sideways, which is running sideways, then in that case at least it should break out week, 1 week, say high or low. Okay, so minimum should be 1 week, it should break, only then it should come in your trading radar. Okay, then from week it can go to month, from month it can go to quarter, from quarter it can go to a year. There's no problem.
So first thing is weekly, right, sir? When a stock gives a breakout in weekly only, then we will consider it for monthly and quarterly, right?
Once a weekly breakout happens, once it closes above 1 week, only then it should come in your radar. Otherwise there's no point in, say for example, if there is a week, okay, and it has a high, it has a low, right, and next week also it is not able to break either of those, the next week also the previous week high lows are not broken, and so on for say 8 weeks. Sometimes it happens. This is called a very long consolidation, so the stock might be distributing or accumulating. Okay, so this might happen. You will get to know the direction once the breakout has happened.
Excuse me, sir.
Huh, Kazim?
Sir, the Excel sheet which we made on Monday, that is weekly. Sir, I have a problem with this one, sir, the formula where we check second level check. I think there's some problem with the Excel, or it's
Shall I give you
entering
access?
it
Let's
wrong.
have a look at that sheet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I made you the presenter.
Yes, sir. Are you able to see the screen, sir?
Yes.
This one, sir.
If GN is greater than and okay up, you have put one extra double quotation mark.
This one.
Put one, yeah. Enter.
Yeah, I think
1 second. This thing is also not there. One minute. You'll have to put this thing, a closing
what?
bracket at the end. One more.
Yes, sir. One more. Enter.
See, again, you have two double quotation marks.
Up needs to be closed
Click.
as well.
Up needs to be closed. Yeah.
This one, sir.
Put a double quotation. Double quotation.
Yes, sir.
Remove the double quotation.
At the end, sir. This one.
No. After up, remove that bracket and put a double quotation and hit enter.
Here I'll have to put.
Put a double quotation and remove the bracket.
This one. Okay.
Enter. song. Click on this enable content first. Okay, do a very simple thing. I will tell you the formula. Okay, put equal to
Equal to.
and this assuming that you are checking for up. Okay, so equal to, which is the last price, latest one. Select
This
that
one,
one.
sir.
Okay, select that.
Okay.
Greater than. Okay, start a bracket.
Okay.
Another bracket. Take the first price, 13th or 20th, whichever. Yeah. Close the bracket. Put a multiply sign. Right and open a bracket.
Okay.
Put the next price.
This 100. Next. Okay.
Close the bracket. Again close the bracket.
Okay.
Enter. If it is telling you true, it means that the price is up.
Okay.
Okay, it is above both of these levels. Okay, but the false doesn't mean that it is below both the levels. So for the below level on the next Q column, put a title and put exactly the reverse formula.
Okay.
Sir, in this formula, we are not checking the first level check now. 13th of July, 20th of July.
Done some first level check, no?
Okay.
O column.
सर
हाँ जी
सर, जैसे मैंने मंथली का बनाया था, तो इसमें जैसे कि मैंने 31 जुलाई लिया, 29 जून लिया और 31 मई का लिया, ठीक है।
करेक्ट।
तो इसमें सर जैसे ही क्या होता है कि जैसे मान लीजिए कि जो अभी लेटेस्ट वाली अपनी वैल्यू है, तो प्रीवियस वाले से तो हाई है, मगर उससे प्रीवियस वाले से नहीं है हाई, तो सेकंड ऑप्शन नहीं दिखाता है। तो ये सही है ना सर?
हाँ सही है, पर उसको भी आप ट्रेड कर सकते हो, कोई इशू नहीं है उसमें। बस आपको एक चीज का ध्यान देना है, वो ये देना होगा कि जो वो क्लोजिंग दिखा रहा है ना, वो क्लोजिंग जो है वो पिछले हफ्ते के मतलब पिछले महीने के या हफ्ते के जो भी कर रहे हो आप, उसके हाई के ऊपर होना चाहिए या फिर लो के नीचे होना चाहिए।
सर एक बार आप मुझे एक्सेस देंगे, मैं एक्सेल शीट दिखा के थोड़ा ये कंफर्म करूंगा सर।
हाँ देता। ये फॉर्मूला उल्टा होना है ना, ग्रेटर देन नहीं, लेस देन होना है ना ये वाला। तो
यस सर,
ग्रेटर देन वाला तो कर लिया ना, तो ये लेस देन
हाँ
होगा।
सर, हाँ।
2 बार ब्रैकेट डालो।
अभी ये वाला लेना है ना सर?
हाँ, जो भी इन दोनों में से एक का उठा लो। ब्रैकेट क्लोज एंड मतलब मल्टीप्लाई एंड ब्रैकेट ओपन, दूसरा वाला प्राइस, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, फिर दोबारा से ब्रैकेट क्लोज, एंटर। ठीक है, अब इसमें जो भी ट्रू दिखाएगा इसका मतलब वो नीचे है।
हाँ। ओके सर।
ठीक है,
ये जो है मतलब ट्रू मतलब इसके ऊपर वाला है ना सर? ये
हाँ ये ऊपर जा रहा है ना। अब देखो फर्स्ट लेवल चेक में फिल्टर लगाओ ऊपर, फर्स्ट लेवल चेक से आप उठा लो, ओके करो, और सेकंड लेवल का जो पी वाला है इससे ट्रू उठा लो।
जी
ये
सर।
सारे स्ट्रॉन्ग अप ट्रेंड में है।
हाँ सर।
ठीक है,
हाँ ठीक
अब ओ में से डाउन उठा लो, मतलब पहले हटा दो, इसको ट्रू को हटा दो।
है। हाँ हाँ
अब ये डाउन उठा लो इसमें से, और उसमें से थर्ड जो क्यू कॉलम है उसमें से ट्रू उठा लो। ये स्ट्रॉन्ग डाउन
सर।
ट्रेंड में है।
हाँ ठीक है।
ठीक है,
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर। यस।
ओके। तो रवि आपको दे देता हूँ एक्सेस। आपको बना दिया प्रेजेंटर रवि।
स्क्रीन शो रहा है?
हाँ दिख रहा है आपका स्क्रीन।
ये है सर, मैंने जैसे पिछले 3 मंथ का लिया था, इसमें जो सर ये एबीपी है ना, इसमें देखिए सर करंट प्राइस 1215 है, जून में 1190, मतलब इससे तो हाई है, मगर मई के अंदर इससे लो है। यहाँ जो फॉर्मूला डाला था अपन ने, यहाँ पे ये वो नन दिखता है।
ओके, ये जुलाई का है, पहला वाला बी कॉलम जो है वो जुलाई का है, ई
जी
कॉलम जो है वो जून का है, और एच कॉलम जो है वो मई का है। ठीक है, तो पहला लेवल तो आपने ये देख लिया कि पहले मतलब ये मई में अप है या डाउन है, मई और
जी सर।
जून के बीच में अप है या डाउन है, तो वो तो सिंपल है, वो तो
जी
आपने
सर।
लगा लिया, अप डाउन कर लिया आपने। ठीक है, सेकेंड लेवल में ऐसे ही जैसे ही काजिम ने फॉर्मूला डाला था वैसे ही डाल के अप बना लिया और डाउन बना लिया, राइट, ग्रेटर देन। ठीक है, और अगला वाला लेस देन वाला है जो एन
यस सर।
कॉलम है। हाँ ठीक
यस
है,
सर।
तो अब आपको क्या करना है कि फर्स्ट लेवल में अप सिलेक्ट करो, और सेकंड लेवल में भी अप सिलेक्ट करो। ये हैं आपके
हाँ ये
स्ट्रॉन्ग
तो
अप
सर वो,
ट्रेंड में।
मैंने तो एक्चुअली सर इसमें क्या किया, निफ्टी 50, निफ्टी नेक्स्ट 50 और मिड कैप 50 के,
हाँ 150 का ले लिया ना
मतलब
आपने लिस्ट। हाँ
वो एनालिसिस के लिए ले लिया कि ठीक है, चार्ट एनालिसिस करेंगे काम में आएगा।
100 रुपए से कम के स्टॉक को ट्रेड मत करना इंट्राडे में।
नहीं नहीं सर, जैसे आज सर ये जील शॉर्ट किया था और हिंडाल को शॉर्ट किया था, तो इसी लिस्ट में से निकाल के इस
हाँ,
हिसाब से किया।
जील तो वैसे भी अपने को उसमें दिखा रहा था ना कि मीडिया जो है वो बियरिश में चल रहा है। हाँ ठीक है, हाँ इनको सिलेक्ट कर लो, उसमें से डाउन उठा लो फर्स्ट लेवल वाले से, और इसमें से भी डाउन उठा लो, तो वो स्ट्रॉन्ग डाउन ट्रेंड वाले दिख जाएंगे आपको सारे।
तो हिंडाल को था
हम्म
यहाँ से, और
हम्म
फिर यहाँ नीचे से देख ट्रेड
ये
में
सारे स्ट्रॉन्ग डाउन ट्रेंड वाले स्टॉक हैं। अच्छा एक चीज
Seal
कल
was in
ध्यान
strong
रखना, वो रखना
up.
जेट एयरवेज पे।
ओके।
ठीक है, जेट एयरवेज की न्यूज थी ना आज मॉर्निंग में, तो मैंने ऐसे ही ओपन करके देखा था उसे, तो उस समय तक तो लो नहीं टूटा था, पर फाइनली फिर उसने लो तोड़ दिया था कल का, तो देख लेना, शायद हो सकता है कि उसमें शॉर्ट ट्रेड्स वगैरह मिल जाए कुछ।
तो ये सर एक्सेल शीट एकदम सही बनी है ना?
हाँ ठीक है, वो लॉजिक
इसी
तो वही
हिसाब से मैं
रहेगा।
क्वार्टर, हाँ नहीं, इसी हिसाब से क्वार्टर के बनाऊंगा तो उसी हिसाब से क्वार्टर का एनालिसिस हो जाएगा।
हाँ
ठीक है, ठीक, ओके थैंक
Sir, Seal was strongly uptrend in the weekly this thing, sir. I think like that.
हाँ, बट
Uh,
द सेक्टर मेटल सॉरी मीडिया इज बियरिश।
Sir, we are finding the sector analysis by that thing, that weekly thing only, right? which we studied last week.
No.
The before.
What I am telling you is, when I look at the way Ravi is looking at it, no, this is he is referring to monthly sheet. Okay.
Yes.
So he is referring to monthly sheet. When I look at the sectors on a monthly basis, then
Okay.
metal, media are bearish, IT, FMCG, pharma are bullish.
Okay.
वो सुपरवाइजर ने आईटी वो चला दी ऐसा लिख देना
Okay. Any other question? Have you started looking at the trades that we identified?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you find that Axis Bank doubled its calls?
Yes.
Okay.
So Coal India also almost doubled.
Almost. Right. Okay. Any other question, guys? I will start the new topic next week. Huh? Not today.
Our trade window is for say 2-3 days. Then what should be the best time frame for analysis?
Sorry, Abir, your voice was cracking. Say that again.
What I am trying to understand, if our trading window is say for 2-3 days or max week, so what should be the ideal time frame for analysis?
Ideal time frame for analysis would be 1 month. I mean monthly. Okay, with a weekly breakout. You will learn this next week. That will be the best analysis.
Sorry, sir, couldn't get that. So you said monthly.
We will look at the time frame of 1 month, 1 month. Okay, and then within that 1 month, we will try to see which week broke out. So instead of day, till now you were learning by days, right? Going forward, you will learn by weeks. Because a week breakout will be much stronger than a day breakout. So even a 10% loss chances will also go away. So till now, how
Sir,
many trades? Go ahead.
Sir, when we are looking this monthly analysis now, should we take only the stocks that has given a breakout in the previous month? Or, yesterday we have studied now. If a stock gives a breakout in the previous month, then should we only take that stocks into our consideration?
What you will do is, the moment you will find that any stock has given you a breakout in weekly, any week, okay, the moment it gives you a breakout in weekly, you will start monitoring it that during that month, is it giving you a confirmed breakout? Okay. Now, if that gives you a
Weekly
confirmed
means
breakout, say for
okay.
example, the first week of any month or the second week of any month
Sir, weekly means how we will check that, sir, in a monthly basis?
on Friday, the Friday closing. Say if the Friday closing of today, say for example, today was Friday, right? So if today's closing of any stock is higher than the previous week's high, okay, I will put that in monitoring. The same way, if today's closing of any stock is lower than previous week low, I will start monitoring it. Now my expectation would be, and this would be with sideways stocks, okay, and my expectation would be that right now, what is it going? It is August, right? That once on 31st August, when the stock will close, it should close below the last month low or the high also. If that happens, it's getting into a strong downtrend or uptrend. Okay. Now, if it is a uptrending stock, if you start trading it on the upside or on the call side, very bleak chances it will give you a loss. The same way with puts on the downside.
Sorry, sir, lost audio in between. Can you just repeat this?
What I was saying is that, say for example, any stock, any stock where the Friday closing when I say the last price of Friday is lower than the previous week's low point, or it is higher than the previous week high point, okay, then you will start monitoring. Right now it is August first week going on. If August 31st, when this stock will close, if it closes above the last month's high or the last month's low, then the trend it is confirming trends. So the downtrend or the uptrend has started. Then the possibility is that if it is an uptrend, if you start trading it long, if it is a downtrend, if you start trading it short, there is a very bleak chance that your stop loss will get hit. Okay.
Sir, will we study this in detail, sir?
Next week we'll start practicing it.
Okay.
Guys, till now, whatever we have studied, is it useful? Is it helping you? I'm
Yes,
talking
sir.
from the PTMP perspective, okay? Do you think you'll be able to make 200%, 300% monthly without problems?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, very good. Okay, any other question?
One operational issue I faced while trying to trade the calls, like for Coal India, I was trying to trade it, and as we discussed, like it had opened above the high of the previous day, and I was trying to buy it near the previous day's high, but it never came. How to trade such scenarios?
It never came.
Should I? It never came back to that previous day high level.
How
It
much?
opened above it.
765 something, right?
Yeah, yeah.
1 second.
So how to like?
I'll tell you.
Trade.
1 second. Coal India, na?
Yeah.
Just remind me, what was the level? 275.
275, yeah.
What was the level? 765, right? Abir?
Yes, sir.
765,
Yeah,
right?
760. Yeah.
It came, no?
I think I traded 300 calls. So yeah, okay, but that never came back. 760.
If that is not coming, no? Say for example, I'll tell you. Watch tomorrow's video, okay? Whichever video would be released. There is a live trade video of Coal India calls.
Okay.
Now, what I did was, I did not trade this level, 275, okay? I traded 310. Okay, so it was 0.55, right? On this day. On 2nd of August yesterday, it opened at 0.85, right? Now, on this particular day, do you see that it was 0.5 and it was lower than this the previous day? So for me, this opening price was the low of the day. Okay. And I bought it at the high. Okay. So at that time it was 0.95. So I bought it at 0.95 of the day at this level. Okay. So if you think that it is not going there, then what you can do is you can also buy the high of the day. Whatever high it has made, you can buy that level also. Not to worry. Because if it is that bullish, it will not come back. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So Rahul, is it becoming interesting? Stock market?
Yes, sir. Sir, for options, if there is a like significant delivery volume breakout, right? So we can still consider options, right? During even if this like stock is sideways, but the sector is like trending up, so we can do that, right?
You can.
Sir, for positional trade options is clear, right? But for trading futures is still like
Futures
not
I
clear
will
right now.
teach you, but
Okay.
it will be your call that if you are building a position in futures,
Uh-huh.
your investment would be very high,
Right.
which means your exposure would be high. Okay.
Uh-huh.
At the same time, the same position, see, you are expecting it to either go up or go down, right? So
Right.
if you are building the same position in calls or puts, it's going to give
Uh-huh.
you the similar sort of a, movement.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So now you will have to decide that, say for example, if you want to trade futures on the last day of the month or the expiry day, then trading
Uh-huh.
in calls or puts will not help you. Then you will have to trade in futures. But if you are
Right.
going to trade in the first week of the month, say for example this week gone by
Uh-huh.
or next week which is coming, then you
Uh-huh.
can trade in options rather than putting in so much of money in increasing the exposure. Rather than increasing the exposure, you can define your limit threshold of loss. So say if
Uh-huh.
you can bear 20,000 rupees, then buy only
Right.
20,000 rupees, because that 20,000 rupees will also have the potential to give you 40,000 rupees, right?
Yes, makes
So
sense.
same way, if you are buying one lot of any futures, that will also cost you around
Uh-huh.
55,000-60,000 rupees minimum. Plus you'll have to
Right.
keep the mark to market.
Uh-huh.
10-15% extra
Right.
also you'll have to keep in your account, right, to meet the M2M.
Right.
Otherwise your broker
Right.
will cut the position.
Right. Right.
Okay,
Yeah.
so if that is the case, I would suggest go for options rather than going for future if it is positional.
Yeah. Right. Where risk is limited in future still.
Huh.
Yeah, could be right.
Right, that is why I spend
Got it.
so much of time in options in
Right.
PTMP,
Right.
because with
Right.
less exposure you will get the same output.
Kind. Yeah.
I was tracking iBull Housing Finance, and it gave a price volume breakout today itself. So could I
Huh.
have traded it today because I couldn't enter of the gap and all?
No, not today, because we'll have to look at it. If it has to be traded, it will be traded only after the breakout has happened, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow means on Monday. हाँ रवि.
Sorry, sir.
Oh. All right, guys. So please practice whatever has come your way, okay, and start monitoring them. See how good is it, how to further improvise it, okay. And if you hit a wall, please let me know with any of the stock.
So can you just provide access for that options webinar, because forgot a few things, wanted to just recap.
We sent you a playlist, no, today. We have sent you a playlist. Check your emails.
The options webinar we had on a Sunday. Okay, thanks.
We have sent you a playlist. Just check your emails. It is there. You have access. All of you
Okay.
have access.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
All right. So guys, our next class on PTMP subject will be on Tuesday, which is 7th of August. Okay. So Monday, please don't log in here. You can log into the ITA class mentorship, but PTMP will be it will be a holiday. Okay. All right, friends. So see you on Tuesday then, and on Monday in the ITA mentorship class. Good night. Have a nice weekend.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Thanks.